done that, we run it over with a torque wrench to specification, which was 12 newtons. It's not a lot, but it's also not very thick bolts, and we're only sealing a rocker cover. Just make sure that you double check all your bolts, and at the end of the day, using a torque wrench gives you that perfect seal right over, because all the bolts are exactly the same, tightened to the same specification. Beautiful. Once we've done that, pop back in our coil pack. Cover. Done. Just a little breather at the back. Airbox and our induction pipe. So we can tighten up the clamp. Plug back in our sensor, and that is the completed job. Alrighty. Going to reconnect our battery. Make sure we've got power. Just make sure our oil level is still good. We didn't lose any oil. We are spot on. Oil level is good. We didn't lose any water, as we didn't interfere with any of the watering pipes or coolant pipes. And then is the moment of truth. We're going to start the vehicle. Once we've done that, there's no lights or anything illuminated. We're going to just quickly, on any rate, just for safety, connect the diagnostic machine, do a scan on the vehicle just to make sure there's no fault codes that I created, and going to refit the wheel, and then that's the job done. Going to quickly plug in the scan tool. We use the snap-on tool. It's very accurate and a good machine. It works on pretty much all the vehicles that we do here. I'm going to just plug it into its DLC port under the dash. Switch the ignition on. Sorry, I started the vehicle. Switch the ignition on. We're going to go to tracks. This is the 1800 model. It's going to quickly pick the vehicle up. It's already in. Going to go to engine. It's an automatic transmission. We're going to select engine. We want to see all our codes. Obviously we want to display our codes, our current codes, if there's any current codes. It went quickly. No DTCs present, which means everything went well. Timing belt replacement was good and no fault codes in the system. And that's it. Thank you so much.